Are you looking to streamline order fulfillment while growing your Shopify business? Meet your new growth engine, the Amazon Multichannel Fulfillment app for Shopify. With MCF, you can tap into Amazon's fast, reliable network to pick, pack, and ship your orders across all of your sales channels. You'll spend less time managing logistics and more time selling. Use your existing Amazon pool of inventory to fulfill orders across Amazon and your Shopify store. As your business grows, you can scale to meet changing demand with hundreds of Amazon fulfillment centers across multiple countries. The best part? Setup is simple. No coding, no monthly fee. Connect your Amazon account and manage your product catalog, orders, and delivery tracking directly from your Shopify admin. Ready to simplify your fulfillment? Let Amazon do the heavy lifting. Download the app and get started today.